A warm welcome and a very good afternoon to all the participants present virtually for today's VCM. I, C. Shanu Goyal, Secretary WMEC, welcome you all to today's virtual CPE meeting conducted on the theme Work-Life Balance and Requisite Skills for Being Successful. Taking cognizance of the fact that the pandemic situation has disrupted our normal working environment and the working hours, we at WMEC thought it's important to address the issues of work-life balance for our women members. Our eminent faculty member, Sri Ruchi Maheshwari, will be addressing pertinent topics around this theme. Unfortunately, our second speaker, Sri Rajnandati Jain, Madam is not able to join us today due to some unavoidable circumstances, so her session is also going to be taken over by Sri Ruchi Madam. To moderate our today's VCM, we have inspiring CA Sunandana Khandelwal Madam with us today, who is the first lady chartered accountant in Mathura. She is in practice since 1992 and is a certified concurrent and forensic auditor by ICAI. Over to you, Madam, for proceeding with today's event.
Thank you, Shanuji. Good afternoon. Good afternoon, everyone. Jai Shri Krishna. My dear CA Kemisha ji, Chairperson WMEC, Ruchi Maheshwari ji, CA Shanu Goyal ji, Secretary, all the participants in this webinar. I, CA Sunandana Khandelwal, Secretary and Treasurer of Mathura branch of CIRC of ICAI, welcome you all in this today's webinar, Work-Life Balance and Requisite Skills for Being Successful. This topic is very apt and useful in today's environment. It is said that life never stops no matter how difficult the time is. All of us has realized this in the pandemic period. During complete lockdown, we were at home for months together. We faced various new challenges, but with our might and spirit, we searched new ways of living and working. The concept of work from home has now become a new norm. The current situation is more challenging for us. We are living with the fear of third wave and restricting our social life on one hand and trying to balance our professional and family responsibilities on the other. Today's webinar will be very useful for all of us in this regard. We have with us very experienced CA Ruchi Maheshwari ji, who will guide us in this regard. The chairperson of WMEC, CA Kemisha Soni ji, is also present over here. As we all know, she was the first chairperson of Indore branch. She was the first chairperson of CIRC in 2010-11. She was the first chairperson of Board of Studies of ICI in 2019-20. Currently, she is the chairperson of Continuing Professional Education Committee, chairperson of WMEC, vice chairperson of Ethical Standard Board, and convener of Digital Reengineering and Learning Directorate. I welcome Kemisha ji and I request Kemisha ji for her welcome speech.
Thank you, Sunandana ji, for a nice introduction. Very good afternoon and a warm welcome to all esteemed participants of today's VCM. In absentia, our co-chairman of WMEC, CA Pramod Jain ji, our renowned and eminent faculty for today's VCM, CA Ruchi Maheshwari ji from Delhi, our moderator, very senior chartered accountant from Mathura, CA Sunandana Khandelwal ji. She is also Secretary and Treasurer, Mathura branch. From our office side, CA Shanu Goyal and Ruchi Gupta ji. And dear participants, I welcome all of you to be a part of this VCM on work-life balance and requisite skills for being successful, which is being organized by WMEC Women Member Empowerment Committee as part of its initiative to upskill, motivate, and guide women members for better professional and personal growth. It is well accepted fact that empowerment or growth for women means progress for all. As rightly said by Kofi Annan, former Secretary General of United Nations and the recipient of the 2001 Nobel Peace Prize. As per his statement, there is no tool for development more effective than the empowerment of women. So towards the same, Women Member Empowerment Committee of ICI undertakes various initiatives for capacity building of its women chartered accountant women member by way of organizing VCM, workshops, seminar, conferences, etc., covering a wide spectrum of topics which are very contemporary and relevant in the present scenario and the situations. Our women portal also has been revamped recently, and we are getting positive responses for the same. And newer, even we have uploaded job opportunity platform also. Newer job postings are getting uploaded on job portal, and we are making constant effort to maximize employment opportunity for our female chartered accountants. And also one more initiative that is related to success stories. Success stories uploaded on our portal are getting wide reviews, with members getting inspired from women achievers. We are regularly updating success stories received from our women chartered accountant, which not give them their due recognitions, but also motivate and inspire others to emulate their success. So I would request and urge all our participant female chartered accountant, you can also send your success journey, your story to WMEC. Definitely we will upload it on our portal. And we encourage network of 164 branches of ICI spread across the nation to conduct and organize women-oriented program for their capacity building and upskilling. And we have also designed some standardized programs specifically for women independent director, then women entrepreneurship program also. We have standardized, we have designed that modules also regarding that, apart from Setu series. So we are also popularizing and creating awareness about certain women-oriented fiscal and other benefits and initiatives provided by the central and state government, like POSH Act, Swadghar Yojana, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao. So they also required certain type of contribution from women professional also. At Niti Aayog also, they have also separate women entrepreneurship cell. So our member can refer that. And if any member have interest related to that, so they can send their views, opinions, research paper to WMEC also. And just I would like to share one initiative, latest initiative of ICI under Ethical Standard Board. Recently, we have launched and operationalized CA Connect search engine portal on 31st July, specifically for individual chartered accountant, practitioner chartered accountant, and for CA firms at ICI platform. As you are aware about that, in market, so many aggregator and listing platforms are available on that. For example, Urban Clap and other BNI. So these type of aggregator-based listing arrangements are there. But for our chartered accountant, that are not allowable because that are not as per our CA Act regulation and code of ethics. So this is CA Connect portal, is an indigenous system of listing of CA firms, individual CA practitioner on the platform of ICI. And the objective of this portal is to provide an effective platform for listing, and it shall provide the essential bridge between clients and chartered accountants. So CA Connect portal will enable chartered accountant to be connected and get engaged professionally across India. Registered user, firms and members will get an opportunity to meet clients, stakeholders requiring professional services on the single platform, wherein the services offered by firms or members may be searched based on their area of expertise and locality. So we have added entire country, location and position. For example, Sunandana Madam is registered from Mathura, and her expertise, for example, in GST or international taxation, or maybe arbitration or forensic audit. So she can mention about her expertise on this portal. So outer world, even global level, they will connect this portal and they can convert that opportunity with connecting our local people also. For SMP, I would say that is really great initiative at ICI. So the role of ICI generally in that sense will be limited. ICI will only work as a facilitator and enable search to the user based on the information submitted by the registered user. That's why I have just given example of Sunandana Madam. In that case, that is the only we will connect users, stakeholder, and our chartered accountant through this medium. So CA firms and individual CA practitioner registered with ICI may at their discretion register at the CA Connect portal at caconnect.ici.org and avail the services. And through this CA Connect search engine portal, we as chartered accountants will get a medium of communicate our core strengths, our expertise services to our prospective clients at large on this one common platform, eliminating the barriers of national as well as international boundaries, all within the ethical framework that is in compliance with our code of ethics. So this is a new revelation of our profession in the form of CA Connect search engine portal. So I would request all participants ki you can also impanel register at CA Connect search engine portal. So now coming to the theme of today's VCM, the topic work-life balance and requisite skills for being successful are deliberately chosen in current complex work situation, where apart from technical skills, the interpersonal skills and social skills have become equally important. Friends, it is no easy task to achieve work-life balance in today's unpredictable and fast-paced professional world. And it gives me great pleasure to inform you all that we have with us CA Ruchi Maheshwari to deliberate on skills for balancing work-life balance, professional and personal roles. CA Ruchi Maheshwari has over 22 years of extensive corporate experience in the domain of banking and financial sector with Indian and MNC organizations. She has also conducted mentoring sessions for grooming talent and also lead diversity initiatives within the role she has handled. So I sincerely hope that this VCM will help all working women in achieving balance between their professional and personal life and better management of their time. Finally, with concluding remark, I would say that if there is no undo option in life. I believe you cannot be successful if you don't enjoy your work life, your work. Never compromise your happiness and success. Enjoy your life fully. For that, me time also necessary. Just I would suggest all female chartered accountant. And second, specifically for young female chartered accountant, just imagine your professional life in chapters. Because sometimes your career does not have to be your priority at all times, as you will go through different phases of life. So according that, you can set your priorities and goals. Because we have with us Sunanda madam. So I really inspire from her life also. Because after marriage, so many challenges, maybe our priority change according to situation and circumstances. But first, mandatory, I would say, option is that we should enjoy our life. And after that, we can decide our professional, personal life regarding that. So I wish all of you a big success in all your future endeavors and hope you all would be immensely benefited by today's VCM. So thank you very much, and over to Sunandana madam.
Thank you, Kamisha ji, for updating us about the immense efforts and various efforts taken by WMEC for encouraging our female members, for dealing with their problems and for guiding them how to deal with their issues and their family problems, career professional problems. And thank you for updating us about CA Connect portal. And I hope it will be very useful for us. Because due to professional ethics, we are not able to advertise. We are, we have some restrictions, but due to this CA Connect portal, we will be able to connect our relationships in various cities, and we'll be able to expand our practice also. So thank you, madam, for updating us. And now, not taking much time, I invite Ruchi Maheshwari ji for her deliberation. Over to you, ma'am.
Hello, Ruchi ma'am.
रुचि जी, आपकी आवाज नहीं आ रही। We are not.
Ruchi,
Ruchi ma'am, you are not audible.
Ruchi ma'am, we are not able to hear you.
I request all the participants to bear with us. Our technical team is looking into the problem because Ruchi Maheshwari ji, I think so, she is not audible. So please bear with us.
We are having some network issues with Ruchi Maheshwari madam side. So kindly wait for 2 minutes, please. Sunandana ma'am, in the meanwhile, if you would like to share something with us.
Yeah, I would request her story, but before that, just I would like to share that about CA Connect, the search engine. Dear member, you can register your expertise at that portal. 2 or 3 expertise you can upload on this portal. So outer world can connect and refer through this portal also. And certain other initiatives and professional opportunities are available at ICI platform. So I would even request ki you can also go through and visit our website of ICI. So you will get detail related to that, related to content development, related material development, related technical reviewer, technical advisor. So many requirements are there at our ICI platform also. And for young chartered accountant who want to start their own practice, so we have committee for in practice also. So many softwares arrangements are there for GST, income tax. So freely you can use that benefit also. Now over to Sundarnandana Madam Ji regarding her success story. I would request her. So definitely our member will get benefit of her story also. So Madam, please.
Thank you, Kemisha ji. According to me, as you said earlier, happiness is your priority. It should be the priority in your life. No matter your studies, your professional qualifications are on one hand, and your happiness is another part of your life. And that is the most important part in your life. Like I was for 14 years, I was in passive practice. I was looking into my family affairs, looking after all the family and children. But in 2004, I had some, some family problems, and I was forced to look into the practice. Then after 14 years of my marriage, then I entered into the practice. I took hold of everything. When I left the practice, means in 1990, 92, we used to enter C:, open the computer, like DOS operating system was there. Then again in 2004, I joined the practice. At that time, full softwares were there and everything was computerized. But what I feel is that no matter whatever the situation is, you should not lose your courage. And if you have the will to do the things, then you are able to do the things and you are able to manage all the things. successfully. And success is a relative term. It's what I believe is that success is a relative term. So don't judge or don't compare with anybody. Compare yourself with yourself, because what you have done yesterday, you should try to improve yourself so that the next day you do it in a better way. And this is a male dominated society. I agree, young generation might they will not agree with me, but I feel that this is a male dominated society, and being a female member, you have to strive hard, you have to work very hard to prove yourself. And managing the family, managing the professional life, you have to be very active in that life. You have to study hard, you have to work hard, and मेहनती होना बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है. You have to put extra efforts. Then only you can achieve the success which you want, which satisfies you. That is my theme of life. Now Ruchi ji is with us, and Kemisha ma'am has already given introduction about Ruchi ji. But one thing I would like to tell about her, she has written that she strongly believes that learning is a continuous process which evolves us. And so we need to keep learning and sharing. Ma'am, I also feel that yes, this is very necessary in our life, and learning only helps us to grow. And now I welcome Ruchi ji to give her deliberation. Thank you.
Thanks, Sunanda ji, and really sorry for the technological challenge. And I think that is one of the things that we all need to learn in terms of coping up, and that's part of our work-life balance. And we're going to. So I'm sure people have been inspired in the meantime by Sunanda ma'am's story, or maybe her life journey. And I'm sure each and every one of us really goes through it at some phase of life. I personally feel that women follow the same pattern in their career. There are tough times, there are good times, there are bad times. But again, as Sunanda ma'am said, it is how you decide your successes, because a lot of things are relative. Happiness is relative, success is relative, your designation is relative. It's all a lot of such things. So I think today's deliberation or today's presentation that we talk about in terms of a work-life balance or work from home situations and how do we manage that, I'm sure we'll understand all of it. The first thing I would just like to give a little bit brief about myself and why I feel I'm more comfortable working from home and balancing work-life balances. As Kemisha ma'am said, I've already been in the corporate for more than 23 years now. I've worked with organizations like UTI, asset management company, or maybe the mutual fund industry. I've always been with banking. I started with UTI, but then I moved on to MNCs like American Express, Royal Bank of Scotland, and various others. We are talking of work from home or a work-life balance today in 2021 in a pandemic situation where things are actually started to kind of get work from home opportunities even in India, right? But I started my work from home, first time in 2006. It sounds like an old time, but yes, since 2006 to today, it's really 15 years. And 15 years, I have got the opportunity to work from home. It had been tough in the initial days, but definitely that has groomed me over a period. I have gone through the phases where I had a small kid, then I kind of grew the kid along with myself. I stay in a joint family, so I had family along with it. So a lot of constraints that I'm sure people can relate with, I have gone through that. So, but yes, all of them, I think, were a support to me, and I have actually come out stronger in such situations. And maybe those helped me to kind of manage my work life. So I'm just going to quickly share a deck. This is more for reference so that people kind of grasp things better. So I'm just going to share my deck with you. And, if people have questions, please share your questions as we go through, because more interactive sessions do help each other. So yeah, so the first thing I think in today's time, there are two words that are really that hit everybody's mind. One is work-life balance and the other is work from home. So one, can you all see the deck?
We are able to see it. Yes.
Okay, fine. So the two words that are really important in everybody's life today is a work-life balance and work from home. Work-life balance, right? What is it, work-life balance? And I'm sure, we all know the theoretical, definitions and things, but really what it means is about balancing, right? If we have to kind of take, a scale and we have to manage ourselves, agar main isko, and I'm going to keep a Hinglish kind of a dialect here so that everybody, all our people can understand me better. And so basically, हम सब कुछ करना चाहते हैं, right? जब हम बढ़ रहे होते हैं, when we are studying, we want to really achieve and become a CA. And that journey of being a CA is really a very tough, I would not say tough, but yeah, it is a strenuous journey. And when we achieve that and we become a chartered accountant, we really want to say that now I am a chartered accountant, I really want to have a career. During that time, we have ambitions also, right? I want to be at a certain level in my career. I want to be the CFO of a company or whatever, you may have your own ambitions. So you grow up with your ambitions and you have career at one side, but then parallelly, you have life, right? What is life? Life is about your family, whether it's your parents, your husband, your kids, your extended family. It's about the me time that we talk about, right? I need time for myself. I need to go out. The world's so much open, right? आज ठीक है, आज के दिन because of pandemic हम travel नहीं कर सकते, but I'm sure हम सब चाहते हैं कि यार हमने काफी काम कर लिया, अब हम थोड़ा सा break लेते हैं, right? Whether it's a short drive, just around the corner, or maybe it's flying down to any other international country for a trip. हम सब चाहते हैं, right? And that is where the challenge comes. एक तरफ से हमें काम खींच रहा होता है because we have ambition. Within the age of, everybody in today's time wants कि यार मैं CA करूं, पहली जॉब लूं और मेरी पहली जॉब ऐसी हो कि उसके साथ साथ मेरे को गाड़ी मिल जाए, बंगला मिल जाए, and everything. I have so many people and people look forward for me. Or maybe I have a thing in mind that maybe in like next 5 years or 10 years, I become the CFO of a company, right? That's what we look for. But then what about my life? So that balancing sometimes really goes bad. अब हम बात करें अगर थोड़ी टाइम पहले की, like if we talk about, the time of our parents or maybe our grandparents, have you ever heard that word of work-life balance? कभी मम्मी से पूछा है, मम्मी आपको टाइम ऑफ चाहिए, आप पूरे टाइम किचन में होते हो, बट आपको तो कभी टाइम ऑफ नहीं मिलता. What is her work-life balance? Right? She is totally in the kitchen always, or maybe helping you guys to have your work-life balance. But what about her work-life balance? ये हमने कभी नहीं सुना था. But now, why we are hearing it? One, because the Western world has taught us that. US में जितने भी आप लोगों से बात करोगे, they will always talk of that work-life balance. European countries will talk of that work-life balance. And what happens is today, because we are so well connected with the international world, and I'm talking about the last couple of decades, हमने बोला यार उनको वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस चाहिए तो मुझे क्यों नहीं चाहिए? I want also my me time, right? But are we giving our mothers a me time? Are we giving our grannies a me time? Have you thought of that? And that's where the work life balance challenge started. हमने बोला यार मैं बाहर जाके कमा रही हूँ, it's a journey of a woman, I would say. And I'll come to that later. I'm sure people are there waiting to ask me and say कि work life balance सिर्फ ladies के लिए तो नहीं है ना, work life balance तो आदमी भी चाहते हैं, और men also want the work life balance. So we'll come to that, how that comes to in place. But normally the point is that's how the work life balance concept really creeped in. हम लोगों को, we wanted, as women, we wanted to stand and stay, shoulder to shoulder with the guys. But when we started to do that, we knew that we were picking up on the work front. We really were picking up. And in today's time, agar aap bolo, aaj, I'm sure you've seen the Olympics, the 2 medals that we've got are again women who've got it, right? We have achieved ourselves as women in all aspects, whether it is sports, how many men have got it, right? But still, I'm sure when they go back, their family is looking for them for a different kind of a support. And that is where, that tug of war between us starts. यार मैं काम भी करूं, मैं फैमिली भी देखूं, तो मेरे को अपना टाइम नहीं मिल रहा, तो मुझे वो वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस चाहिए. That's how we kind of come out. And that is why I feel that this whole concept of work-life balance really came out as the gender diversity in our workplace increased, right? Because women, and I'm sure today, even when you all are attending this session, you have 10 more things that are going on your head, which relates to either your work or your practice or your assignment or your project that's going on, or maybe for your family, or maybe there's an event coming up, or your child's having some project to be completed. All of that's going into your head, right? And that is why we really need to understand that actually this work-life balance is nothing, but it's only my strive or my requirement to be best in everything. मैं हमेशा चाहती हूँ कि मैं हर चीज में बेस्ट रहूं. मतलब अगर ऑफिस है तो ऑफिस में मेरे कोलीग्स के मतलब सामने कोई और बेस्ट नहीं होना चाहिए, मैं ही होनी चाहिए. सो इफ माय बॉस वांट्स टू थिंक ऑफ एनी वर्क, ही शुड फील दैट आई एम द मोस्ट dependable person. I am the most what to say trustworthy person, and that is why I want to be the best there. अगर घर की बात है तो I want everybody, whether it's my in-laws, whether it's my husband, whether it's my kids, to ask me for my help rather than go to a maid. अगर आपका बच्चा, and I'm sure I'm talking about kid more because I think after you become a mother, the first thing that hits you is your motherly life. You're devoid from your child is something that hits you the most. And I'm sure people who are there on this session will definitely feel that. So this work-life balance is nothing but it's a fight between in the person themselves about being best. And as we've talked earlier, ye best hona hamare apni definition. If I say I want to go स्टैंडर्ड, मुझे कोई मतलब मुझे क्योंकि बैलेंस करके चलना है, मुझे कहीं पर बहुत हाई नहीं जाना, कहीं पर बहुत लो नहीं जाना, मैं बैलेंस करके चलूंगा, राइट? एंड दैट्स हाउ द लाइफ इज मेंटेन्ड. If I have to talk about myself, as I said, I started as a management trainee in my first job, and I was the vice president at Royal Bank of Scotland, handling their risk operations. That was a great journey for me. But in that journey, I kind of always managed my work and life. I never compromised either my work or my life anywhere. And that's where I got those opportunities to work from home even early. And I'm sure all of you think कि यार अगर ऑफिस नहीं जाना पड़े, यार घर से काम कर ले, तो मेरे पास ज्यादा टाइम होगा. I can balance better, right? And that's obvious solution. And we all really felt that work from home is the best solution for a work-life balance, right? And if I have to talk, what did people really, So what is the possible solution that we all think is work from home, right? अब work from home होता क्या है? अब अगर हम सबसे पूछे, normally if we ask for newer generation in today's time, we always feel it's like a dream. यार work from home मिल गया ना तो सारी problem solve हो जाएगी. That's what I've heard people saying that. यार क्योंकि मैं work from home नहीं कर सकती हूँ ना, इसलिए मेरे पास बहुत ज्यादा pressure है. That's how we see people answering. So I mentor a lot of women members, and I've seen that kind of answers coming from them. Everybody feels that अगर मेरा work from home हो गया ना तो मेरा ideal work life balance हो जाएगा. मुझे कोई टेंशन ही नहीं रहेगी, ना घर में कोई बोलेगा कुछ, ना ऑफिस में कोई बोलेगा, मैं सब जगह बेस्ट हो जाऊंगी फिर. That's how people start thinking. They feel that their family bonds will be better because they have a work life balance. Yes, there are a lot of things that is advantages from work from home. Say for example, lesser travel time. So people who spend a lot of travel time, like there are people I know who travel from, like, say, Ghaziabad to Gurgaon. Just an example from a Delhi perspective, and that means that they're passing on from 2 states. That comes within the Delhi NCR region, but actually it's 2 extreme ends. So Ghaziabad is Uttar Pradesh, then they come to Delhi, and then from Delhi they go to Gurgaon, which is Haryana. So practically moving in 3 states, which is 2 extremes. But yes, people do it, and therefore they feel यार traveling कम हो जाएगी तो family bonding better हो जाएगी. या मेरा stress कम हो जाएगा. I don't have to drive down. I don't have to get worried about metro छूट गई या cab नहीं मिली or whatever, and therefore I have lots and lots of time that I will get, and therefore it will be a relaxant time. And definitely organizations, especially in India, if I have to talk about, there were many organizations in India which were never in favor of a work from home. But the pandemic has stopped it. And there are a lot of people who are now working from home, and they're able to kind of save on their time of travel. But really, did work from home solve all the problems? I'm sure all of you have been doing work from home for the last 1 year, 1.5, 2 years. But is the story the same as it started? It is something like, I say that, it's something like an Hindi film. Starting में बहुत अच्छी होती है, जैसे रोमांटिक फिल्म होती है कि बहुत अच्छी होती है स्टार्टिंग में, लेकिन फिर क्या होता है, कुछ तो भी ट्विस्ट आता है, और वो ट्विस्ट क्या होता है, वो हमारे को चैलेंजेस दिखाता है. एंड वो चैलेंजेस जो है वो दैट इज व्हाट नाउ पीपल आर फेसिंग फ्रॉम वर्क फ्रॉम होम. सो व्हाट द रियलिटी इज एक्चुअली इज पीपल आर सेइंग यार वर्क फ्रॉम होम में तो बहुत ज्यादा काम करना पड़ता है, ऑफिस बंद ही नहीं होता है. We have to work whole time. There is no morning, there's no evening, there's no shutdown time. The other thing that people have started to notice is we have too many calls or we have too many meetings. Only to discuss one point, we have had 4 calls and still we are not finalized with this. While agar hum office mein hote to ek baar milke baithte aur khatam kar dete. So increased calls, or maybe to explain a point, the leader is having too many meetings to supervise, to understand, and that's why we are having too many meetings. Or maybe you get some thing from your leader, you have to send it down to your team members, and that's why multiple calls being faced. So that's another challenge. And again, because you're at home, a lot of people, and especially children, they say, "Mummy, ghar pe hi to ho, ye to kar do, ya wo to kar do." Ya fir, even because you're at home, you feel that, yeah, if I'm at home, why not? I've got 10 minutes. Let me just look at one of my almiras, and maybe get that clean. You think of more from your home perspective also as compared to what you were thinking earlier. So you see work at all ends. So office work will not stop, definitely, because that's what you're committed to. And your home front will always want you at any point in time. So जो हम सोच रहे थे कि हमारा स्ट्रेस कम हो जाएगा या हमारा प्रेशर कम हो जाएगा, ऐसा तो कुछ नहीं हुआ. उल्टा आई थिंक अब तो लोगों को लग रहा है ज्यादा प्रेशर हो गया, right? But is that pressure something that is something that we've ourselves created? Just a thought, think about it, because normally kya hota hai, hum koi bhi cheez karte hain, and I'm sure we are all chartered accountants, we always learn this from the start, that jab bhi koi kaam lo, and I'm taking a small example of an audit assignment, right? If you start with an audit assignment, what do you normally do, right? You've got an audit assignment, you meet your client, you kind of go understand from from your client that what is the work that you have to do, what are the areas of audit, then you create a scope of work, right? And then you kind of prepare a plan of work, and then you execute it. And that's why what happens is you're able to kind of deliver what the client wants as per the time. You're able to audit whatever quantity of samples you wanted to take, because you've kind of planned it. अब इस केस में तो क्या हो गया, हम सब तो बहुत खुश थे, we all wanted work from home. तो जैसे ही work from home मिला, हम सब खुशी wow, we are very happy to get work from home, and we all jumped into work from home. We really didn't think about it. We really didn't understand that how will that really gel with my current things, right? I did not really try and see or segregate between my home assignments, which was my work side. I did not kind of look at anything. There were some people who did not really have the facility. And when I say facility, it could be a space, it could be the technology, and a lot of such things. और उससे क्या हुआ, उसी वजह से आपका पेन बढ़ गया. Right? So if I have to just put it in a different way, what was happening is that the impact of this sudden change that came for us, actually work from home started to become work for home, because we were getting pulled, right? तो हम from करते करते कि हमें घर से काम करना था, उसके बदले हम क्या करने लग गए, हम घर के लिए काम करने लग गए. और क्या हुआ, जब हमने घर में ज्यादा टाइम दे दिया तो वर्क में हम कम टाइम दे. अब दिन तो 24 घंटे का ही है ना. You have a day which is only 24 hours. You can't extend your day, and you need sleep, right? You don't want to become a zombie at any point in time. So how do you kind of balance that? And that is an ideal challenge. So I'm sure a lot of you may have kind of understood what your problem is, but I'm sure many of you have not understood that. And it took a lot of time for me too. And I'm talking, as I said, I started my work from home experience in 2006. You can imagine 2006, jab actually koi baat bhi nahi karta tha, and I started to work from home. The reason being is I was reporting to a boss who was based in the US. And that too on, in Phoenix, Arizona, which is actually like a 12-hour difference between us. So my mornings was his evenings and his evenings were my morning. Definitely we had to have overlap. Okay. And when we mean overlap is कि किसी दिन मुझे लेट काम करना पड़ेगा या किसी दिन उसको जल्दी उठना पड़ेगा, right? And that is what really taught me how to balance it. And I really say that my leader was really commendable. He understood that challenge, maybe because he was, based in the US and he had seen this and he wanted to kind of help me out on that to manage it. We worked out a solution where out of the 5 days, it would be in a week, 3 days, he would actually take a long, a early start where he would actually start at 4 o'clock in the morning, while on other 2 days, I would actually do it later. I would do late nights and I would start my day late. So to balance each other. And the next week, it would be 3 days me and 2 days him so that we don't trouble each other. Okay. And I'm sure that's a workable solution. It's only that we identified that problem and we were able to work that out. Ab ye to ho gayi office ki baat. Office mein, I'm sure you all will all say that, our leaders or maybe our organizations are quite good and they help us to work life, to help us manage our work life. But what about people at home? How do we train them? So that's another thing that we will have to talk about. But I think first I would like to touch upon the point that really why in today's time work from home is not working, or why did this go wrong, if I have to put it in a manner to say. So why work from home goes wrong is one, as I said initially, is we are not ready with the infrastructure itself, right? We don't have computers at times, or maybe our computers not updated, our softwares are not built in because, we have a specific software required from the organization. A Wi-Fi is a challenge. Sabko Wi-Fi chahiye ghar mein. If you have a big house where your husband's working, you're working, you've got children actually doing school, then you need a high-powered Wi-Fi. You need good quality Wi-Fi. You need a dedicated space. You can't have noise coming all over, right? So वो सब challenges थे. अगर वो नहीं है तो at least हम उसे create कर ले, right? In maybe a shift manner, जब जिसका जो time है. So for example, at times in my house we do that, wherein my daughter has a class. Then at that time I would not keep my calls because I know that that's a time for her. Or my husband's having a call, then I will not keep my call. Or similarly, it's an equal opportunity where my husband would not keep a call if I have a challenge. So similarly, so those things you have to actually talk about, discuss, and then implement. But yes, सीधा बोल देना कि यार हाँ कल से work from home कर लेंगे. That's not possible. So you need to be mentally prepared. You need to keep your environment prepared for it and then do it. So, just those are some of the things that where people go wrong. And I'm sure being finance guys, हमने कभी नहीं सोचा था कि हम closing घर से कर सकते हैं, right? And I'm sure या audit घर से हो सकता है, audit data आ सकता है घर पे. And last 1 year, I'm sure all CAs have learned to do audits remotely. We always felt that, that physical meetings, or even now there are a lot of people who are actually coming back to the thing कि नहीं ठीक है pandemic हो गया वापस आ जाओ. Right? Why? Because they're still with that same thought that, physical presence makes a lot of difference. Your meeting with the client gets you an edge. Yes, I agree. It may get you an edge, but it's not that remotely it will not do the purpose. So today we are all going through this training through a virtual mode, and we're all gaining through it. We are learning through it, right? So that's where we need to understand. And again, I think the biggest challenge which I feel as a woman is जब हम घर में होते हैं ना और घंटी बजती है, even if everybody is sitting, the expectation is मम्मी जाके खोलेगी, you know. And I'm sure a lot of you will have experienced it, but then you need to tell them that this is not a time where you will be available. Okay, so those are things that we all need to kind of have in mind, whether it's your office colleagues, whether it's yourself, and whether it's the people around you. They all need to be mentally prepared that we are working from home and we are not working for home, right? So that's where I feel that these are things that make things go wrong. Now is it like, how do we solve it? I'm sure ये देख के आप बोलोगे यार ये कोई project थोड़ी ना है जो आप मुझे ये बता रहे हो. So this is not a project, but yes, any problem in life, if it is solved as a project or maybe as a dedicated action, then definitely it gives better results. आपको actually ये समझना पड़ेगा कि, and I'm just going to read out and I'm sure you can implement in your way, is like you need to identify where the issue is. आपका challenge किस वजह से हो रहा है? Home की वजह से हो रहा है या office की वजह से हो रहा है? I mean to say is either your office is giving you too much work, because of which you're not able to manage your work-life balance, or is it your home pulling more of you so that you can't actually do your work-life balance? Understanding that is really important, right? And again, you don't have to really sit down, do a project of like एक महीने का project करना है, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can just sit down, maybe while having a cup of coffee, or maybe if you have a very, very tough day, sacrifice half an hour's sleep of yours, get up early in the morning, shanti hoti hai ghar mein, just think about yourself, right? Because you have to make your things work, because both things are important for you. You can't leave your career or your ambition. Yes, you can go a little slow on your career or an ambition, I agree, but it's not that you will want to leave it, right? Similarly, on your home front, you can be on some days giving khichdi to your family because you can't make dal makhni and naan, just because you have pressure at work, and that's good, that's enough. It doesn't mean that your house or your family will bother about it. So you need to understand कहाँ पर आपका challenge है, किस चीज पे आपको work करना है और उसमें क्या काम करना है. So if you have a challenge at your home front, sit down and talk किस लिए है. Maybe you need an extra help, an extra hand of help, whether it could be your family, whether it could be an additional maid that you have to do it. That's fine. It doesn't do. Or if it's too much work at office, then maybe understand what's happening there. Maybe you're not delegating things at work. Maybe you're not believing on your people to do it. So understand what is your pain point and put a plan of action. And again, any plan of action can't be implemented till you have the relevant members involved, stakeholders involved, right? Understand with them and tell them this is what you're expecting. कि अगर कोई ऐसी situation हो, तो वापस जो पहले हुआ था वो repeat नहीं होना चाहिए, right? So let me give you just a small example. And today's example, you all saw that I was not audible at the start of the lecture, right? I had logged in through my computer, but I don't know why, but I had a challenge and my computer didn't work. And this computer that I'm using now is my husband's computer, which means he's off work for the 2 hours that I am using his computer. But we need to be ready. We need to kind of support each other, and that's why it's happening, right? So you understand that kind of a fitting of puzzle is important. And definitely, if you do all of this, you will enjoy. You will have the peace of mind, or you will have the work-life balance that you're experiencing. A work-life balance that you're now facing as a challenge, you will not face that, and you will enjoy it. But still, if there is a problem that is continuing, that means कि आपने कहीं ना कहीं उस puzzle का कोई part गलत fit किया है, तभी आपकी picture नहीं बन रही है. So you need to kind of understand which piece of the puzzle needs to be reshifted, or you need to redo the puzzle again. Okay, so that's one thing. अब ये तो हो गई कहानी. अब आ जाते हैं some real good tips, some easy tips, ठीक है? Because हम deck discussion कुछ भी कर लेते हैं. But point is, what's more important is easy tips क्या हैं? What can really I take away from it, right? If I have to tell you. So one, as I've been clearly talking about in the whole journey, in the whole session, is that set clear expectations, right? And I feel that's more important at a family front. क्योंकि officially तो हम expectations बहुत clearly set कर देते हैं. हमारे roles and responsibilities defined होते हैं, हमारे deliverable dates defined होते हैं, हमारा सब कुछ defined होता है. But वो expectations ना घर में defined नहीं. So I'll just give you an example. And a lot of these things that I've given you as examples are my own personal experiences. As I said, when I initially started to work from home, the expectation was that I am at home, agar ghanti baji hai to main khol dungi. So I had to clearly say, sorry, I am not opening the door. You feel that I am physically present, but not actually present. मुझे भूत समझो घर में कि मैं दिख भी रही हूँ पर मैं हूं नहीं. That's how you have to tell people that if you're working. You're not available for them to help them, right? So I know it may sound rude, but you don't have to be rude while doing that too. You have to just put that clearly to people so that they know and understand the importance of your work, right? And I'm sure our families are there to support us. None of the, this is a very clear saying I've actually said in all my mentoring sessions, or maybe all women sessions that I've done with WMEC, is I don't think any of our family members want us to fail. I'm sure they will fight equally as much as they possible to make us successful, right? So, just be clear with them so that they are able to support you. उन्हें भी पता चलना चाहिए ना भाई support कहाँ करें, because अगर उन्हें ही नहीं पता कहाँ support करना है, then that thing will not come out. That machine will not run in the right manner. Okay. The other thing that I actually say is delegation. Delegation is very, very important. Why do we get scared to delegate? हम क्यों सबका बोझ लेके चलें, right? Just because you're a good person, even at office, sometimes what happens is, even if you're junior or a senior, or maybe your colleague is having some challenge, you kind of take things from them and say, okay, I'll do it for you. But you can't carry too much, right? Ab sab kuch nahi leke chal sakte. So you have to start delegating. If you take up additional workload at office, then delegate it with your team. Ask your team to help you and support you, right? Similarly, at home, don't take too much. If you're taking too much, that's fine. You have taken it on your own stuff, then try and delegate it. Or maybe take and then plan it out. ठीक है, आपने 4 काम करने को बोला. Maybe, you have kids and everybody has their own preference. And, lunch or dinner is just an example that I'm taking. Normally, women actually spend a lot of time in the kitchen. And then they kind of say, कि मुझे ये बनाना था, वो बनाना था, उसकी choice थी, इसकी choice थी. Then tell them, ठीक है, आपकी सबकी choice होगी, but हफ्ते में एक दिन होगी, and then define that. Or maybe if it's a particular day, say for example, it's your child's birthday and you want to kind of do something special for your child, then take that extra time out. Maybe take that out from something else that you're doing, or maybe extend your day a bit, don't worry about it. Okay. And the most important thing is कि अगर आप delegate कर रहे हो किसी को और किसी दिन आपके पास time मिलता है, then go and help that person. Maybe you stay in a joint family and you're taking a lot of help from your in-laws, your mother-in-law, your father-in-law, whatever. And किसी दिन आपको थोड़ा free time मिलता है, then go and help them. Tell them that you take your ease today. आज मेरे पास time है. I am going to support you. I'm sure they'll be so happy. और क्या होगा, वो अगली बार कहेंगे और थोड़ा सा हम आपकी help कर देते हैं. So that kind of a trade-off is required. That trade-off definitely is something which will help you in the future. Again, the one very good thing I like is, train your kids. हम सोचते हैं ये बच्चे हैं, ये हमारी बात नहीं समझेंगे, but नहीं, ये definitely हमारी समझते हैं. So when I started in 2006, my daughter was like 4.5 years. And at that time, I used to work from home and she would be so happy, like mama ghar pe hai. And she would say, main aapke saath baith ke padhungi. So I like, okay, you have to do your homework, sit with me, but you're not going to speak. Okay. Because I'm on a call, if you have anything to say, either give me an indication so that I mute myself well in time and then you speak so that nobody knows that I am, you're with me. Or maybe give me written messages. And she was so well trained. She was so well trained that she would never, ever actually speak out. she would give me written messages, and it would be so cute, to kind of get those small messages. Mama, I want this. Mama, I want that. And that would be so nice and so happy. And she would actually even tell the others at home, आवाज मत करो, mama की call चल रही है. That would really be a great asset for me. And I was so proud of that small bit of things that she's given us. And I'm sure your kids can also do it. It's just that you have to make them feel responsible. I'm sure all of you will agree that working women kids are more independent, more responsible, and more supportive. So use them, right? And as I always say, don't fear to go beyond. अगर आपको किसी दिन अपने काम के लिए 12 घंटे के मतलब, you normally work 8 hours. If you have to actually one day sacrifice on your sleep of say half an hour or 1 hour, do it, because you're satisfying your dream, your career, your ambition, right? So do that. And again, one very good thing, which I actually learned it from my own senior. I had, our organization India head was a lady where I used to work for. And one great tip that she gave me was that, normally women get a lot of challenges for their home front. Even if you have all the help at home, you still think कि यार आज खाने में क्या बना होगा, किसी का अच्छा बना होगा कि नहीं बना होगा, या सब्जी आई होगी कि नहीं आई होगी, ये है वो है, not, all of that somewhere at the back of their mind kind of goes on. So she actually gave us a tip, which I actually implemented, is that she would say that she would organize the whole week's task. Matlab, buy an extra pair of uniform for your child, but have everything pressed for the whole week ready, so that there's no challenge about available uniforms nahi hai. Or maybe in terms of deciding the lunch boxes for them, decide the whole week's lunch box and tell the child that ye sab milega. If you want to change, tell me over the weekend and we'll just change it over. So use your weekends as much as you can to free up your weekdays. So these are just small tips, but they make a lot of change. And end of the day, as I always say, what you need to do is always stay happy and positive. Because if you're not positive, if you're not happy, then environment around you will never be happy and never be positive. A woman is the actual, the mood setter of the home. So that's where I feel that if we stay happy, we stay positive, everything around us will automatically be positive and happy, whether it is office, whether it is home. These are small tips I think we all can implement, and and easy to implement is what I would say. Last thing, which I always say, is you design your life and write your own story. You may take inputs from everybody, but end of the day, what's important is how you implement it and decide for yourself. Again, today, somebody who is I just wanted to say that even if you're going slow at one point in your say career, don't feel bad. If you're consistent, you will achieve what you wanted to achieve. क्या होगा, 1 साल बाद ही तो achieve करोगे ना, फर्क नहीं पड़ता. How does it matter? Your dream has been achieved, right? So that is why stay consistent and stay positive. That's really important. So that's a little bit about managing work-life balance in terms of how to kind of get going. That's details. I think quickly we could also do is Sunanda ma'am, would you like to say something in between, or should I talk about the requisite skill sets also together?
You go ahead.
Okay. So ये तो हमने समझ लिया work life balance कैसे कर सकते हैं हम, right? The other thing that I actually think is requisite skills and work life balance maintenance go hand in hand, because काफी सारी जो skills हैं हमारी वो हमें इसी को help करने में, support करने में use होती है, right? In today's time, and I'm going to talk both work side and home side. Work side, as we said, definitely being updated with your content is very, very important. For example, you may have done your chartered accountancy long time back. Say, for example, I've done my CA, 23 years back, but that doesn't mean that I'm not updated. At least I can't be updated in everything. So for example, I am not a tax expert. So मैं tax में updated नहीं रहूँगी, but जो मेरी field है, उसमें मैं updated रहूँगी, right? If I'm doing internal audit, I'm doing risk management, I'm updated with what's happening within my own field. And I'm updated in what in general is necessary, right? Yes, but yes, studying and reading is something that is always beneficial. Find time whenever possible to read and upscale yourself. Having general knowledge about things around is important. The other thing in today's buzzword is technology. Enhance your technological skills, right? Technology is very important. In today's time, we hear about fintech stuff, right? Fintech, like say, blockchain. I'm sure y'all are hearing about RegTech. You're hearing about cryptocurrencies. You're hearing about a lot such things, or maybe automated, audits that are happening, forensic audits that are happening. Gain your knowledge around it. Understand what it is, and use that technology to benefit yourself. Say, for example, like Kemisha ma'am said about the CA Connect, right? CA Connect हम तभी तो यूज कर पाएंगे ना अगर हम टेक्नोलॉजी से कन्वर्सेंट है। तो अगर हम टेक्नोलॉजी से पहले ही डरते हैं तो हम कैसे सीए कनेक्ट को यूज करेंगे, राइट? जस्ट अ स्मॉल एग्जांपल, बट these are things that really need our expertise. And don't feel, as I've always initially said, I don't feel bad asking my daughter in terms of yaar mujhe nahi aata, mujhe samjha do. So for example, Instagram is what I'm not so used to, but my daughter is so expert with it that I learn from her. And it's not wrong. It doesn't make me shy to ask somebody, even within my own team. If I'm not aware of facts, people read more facts, I'm happy to learn from them. That learning eagerness, वो भूख होती है ना, खाने की भूख जैसे होती है, वैसे पढ़ने की भूख, learning की भूख होनी चाहिए हमारे में. We need to have that eagerness of learning, because that will take us to the level that we want to. Okay, so technology is something that you need to be very, very careful with. You need to be conversant with, which will help you. Again, these are things that we all, I'm sure aap sab bologe sab jagah sunte hain, iske alawa kya hona chahiye. So I think the other softer skills that we all need to know is about having less ego. Difficult to achieve, because हम लोग ego को बहुत जल्दी लेके बैठ जाते हैं. But I think if you want to be, having a good working relationship at any point in time, whether it is your office, whether it is your home, you don't have to have an ego, right? क्योंकि कभी किसी को आप help करोगे तो कभी कोई आपको help करेगा. That's a mutual thing. So please don't have big egos. It's okay to say no to somebody, and it's okay to hear no from somebody. Don't feel bad if somebody says no to you. Okay, so that's another thing. Again, social networking. Social networking is very, very important. Yes, we keeping the social distancing, as we say. It is important to keep the distance at this point in time. But again, networking with people is important. And again, networking doesn't mean कि network करने से मुझे कुछ achieve होगा. मतलब it's not that I have to only network with people who are at a good designation, people who have good connects future, and that's why they will help me. No, connect with people whom you think you can look up to. Connect with people whom you can learn from. Connect with people who can guide you, who can mentor you, who can show you the path. Because hearing from them is very important, and learning from experience is very important. So that's really important. Again, in today's time, and I'm sure all females will always agree, is कि हमारे पास time ही नहीं होता, हम network क्यों करें, कैसे करें. But again, नेटवर्किंग इसलिए जरूरी है बिकॉज आप उससे काफी चीजें सीखते हो. जैसे आज अगर हम नेटवर्क कर रहे हैं, आज हम एक सेशन में हैं, तो हम सीख रहे हैं कि हम अपने आप को कैसे फ्री करें, हम अपने टाइम को कैसे बेटर मैनेज करें. So time management skills is another good aspect that's required, that we all need to learn about. Okay, these are some of the skills that actually help us, and actually that these are the needs of the work environment also. Okay, so I'm just kind of going to relate in terms of what are the various possible opportunities for CAs that happen other than a primitive CA. Sorry, I call them the primitive CA because, if I have to talk my experience, I started my career with proper accounting, debit, credit, books of accounts, doing journal vouchers, creating books of accounts, and actually validating whether the ledgers have been balanced. I was part of the branch accounting at the UTI, and therefore understanding the branch ledgers was very, very important. But what really changed my thing was that I felt I am doing this, and I think starting of my career itself, I started to think about technology. I wanted to be a little different. And that's where what helped me was I shaped my career a bit to look at things from the other side of the table. I said, all CAs are sitting here like me, looking at the books of accounts, looking at entries, and definitely finance means entries. Finance means understanding all of this. But what if I was on the other side of the table? What would I have questioned a chartered accountant doing this books of accounts? And therefore, I moved on from actually, and that's how I grew in my career also. I got into the financial controllership role, right? Where I was overall reviewing the businesses of the organization. So I was looking at, say, for example, in Amex, I was looking at two different businesses. One was our card business, the primitive card business, the credit card business, and also the American Express Bank business, which was a separate bank business. And that really gave me a holistic view of the business rather than only looking at the branch accounting, right? So I upscaled myself. From there, I thought, okay, and that was the time where things were getting automated, where actually US faced the issue of Sarbanes-Oxley Act got implemented, the SOX Act, which really changed a lot of things on the internal controls bit. And that's where, because of my inquisitive nature, I really tried to get into that. I became a SOX expert. I started to learn about SOX. Again, totally different, something which in India was not the prevalent stage. But yes, because I was in an MNC, I got that opportunity to do it, and I took it further. I became a SOX expert within the organization, started to review various internal controls for a lot of the subdivisions that we had. And then, then that interested me to get into technology. I moved on, and I today also speak on blockchain. I feel that that's an upcoming technology, and we all need to understand that how CA or finance can actually help support getting into, because I'm sure if you know a lot of tech people or the technology people, they know their piece very well, but they don't understand finance. अगर हमें फाइनेंस में टेक्नोलॉजी इंप्लीमेंट करनी है तो हमें फाइनेंस आना चाहिए, और साथ में हमें टेक्नोलॉजी समझ में आनी चाहिए जिससे हम उस टेक्नोलॉजिकल पर्सन से काम करा सकते हैं, राइट? एंड दैट्स द रोल दैट आई प्ले. I help organizations to understand that how they can implement technological advancement in their processes. Which are the processes that can be quickly automated, right? And these are very different to the normal scenarios, right? And that's what actually each one of us should think, that how can we be a little different? How can I create the niche for myself? And these are some of the aspects that we all as we look around us, we may feel, हमें बहुत सारी चीजें दिखेंगी कि हम कुछ different कर सकते हैं. आप एक छोटे से piece में ही specialization कर सकते हैं, right? So for example, I'm sure we all know that we have GST experts. Again, we have tax experts. And again, within tax also, we have various different tax experts. So that's what they are doing. They're picking their niche and they're getting best at their niche. So similarly is what I tell people is pick your niche and get special in your niche. Yes, if you've picked a niche which may not mature at that point in time, when I say mature in the sense, it's not in demand today, but yes, if you've picked a niche and you're becoming the best, you will be recognized at some point in time. So for example, yesterday, everybody saw the discus throw. In India, did we ever know that discus throw hota kya hai? But just because one of our women, members, or maybe one of our women colleagues helped us, or maybe she actually decided to kind of take that sport and excel in it, we are all following her. Similarly, if we decide कि यार मुझे इसमें बनना ही है expert, so definitely people will follow you. You will have 10 people who will start following you because you are doing something which you're passionate about. You're happy about. So definitely you will create a mark in it. You will find ways to do it. right? अब suppose मैं एक बात बोल रही हूँ, which I आज अगर suppose there is some challenge that you're stuck up, say for example you were traveling and you're driving your car and your cars got stuck, मतलब tire flat हो गया. अब टायर फ्लैट हो गया तो आप क्या करोगे? आप ऑल्टरनेटिव वेज ढूंढोगे ना. या तो आप किसी टायर फिक्स करने वाले को बुला के लाओगे, यू विल कॉल समबडी हु विल फिक्स दैट टायर फॉर यू, right? That's one alternative. Or you will start fixing it yourself. If you know how to fix a tire, you will take out your stepney, you will replace the car tire, you will do something. Or you will find some other way. You may just give a phone call to your husband and say, my car's got stuck, please come help me out. And that's how you do it. So point is, when you are in a situation that creates problem, you find ways to come out of it. Similarly, your career is something which is in your own hand. You have to decide where is the problem that you look at and how do you want to come out of it. Giving up is not a solution. And I definitely believe that as women, we never give up. It is just that maybe some people take some time to think about how to come out of it. But ideally, we all know that we have to come out of it and we'll push ourselves towards it. I actually in 2019 quit my job as a vice president with the Royal Bank of Scotland, and currently I do my own consulting. When I started my consultancy, stuff, I had no connects within India market because I was always working for around 20 years. As I said, I'd worked with MNC organizations. I did not have good connects within the, the Indian environment, I would say. But within the, roughly like 1.5 years, even during a pandemic, I was able to build my connect because I knew my way out. I knew that I have to do this for myself. I had that dream in me. I believed in myself. So couple of things I think, which is everybody's thing is, the magical words, as I say, is believe in yourself. If you believe in yourself, people will believe in you. If you have the guts to take your way, people will follow you. So don't ever stop yourself from taking a new path. Yes, you may find a challenge at some point in time, but yes, later on, people will follow you. Okay, and be confident. If you're confident, that confidence will flow out. People will believe in you. People say, yaar, isme itna confidence hai, kaise nahi kar payegi? Karegi na? Ek chance to dete hain. Let's give her that opportunity. So those are some 3 things that you can do. One very easy thing, is which I actually do more as my, it's not work related, I would say. It's more on my passionate side again. I do YouTube videos on financial literacy. Okay. And that's reason is because I feel that women, or not only women, I would say, but everybody in today's world need to understand financial literacy. When I say financial literacy, it's more about your financial investments, right? To know how to make your money work. अब पैसा तो हम सब कमा लेते हैं, पर हम क्या करते हैं? पैसे को रख देते हैं. हम पैसे को कमाने पे नहीं लगाते. बट अगर हम अपने पैसे को कमाने पे लगा देना, तो हमें थोड़ा कम काम करना पड़ेगा एंड इजी वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस हो जाएगा. बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे, वर्क इन लाइफ में हमें क्या चाहिए? लाइफ को एंजॉय करने के लिए वर्क करते हैं. वर्क क्यों करते हैं? पैसा चाहिए. पर अगर हमने जो कमाए हुए पैसे को ही काम पे लगा दिया, तो हमारी लाइफ थोड़ी इजी हो जाएगी ना. आधा तो पैसा, मतलब थोड़ा बहुत तो पैसा उसी से आ जाएगा, तो हमारा लेजर उसी से निकल जाएगा. सो देयरफॉर understanding financial literacy is something which is very important. I do it out of, as a passion, just to help people so that they can make the right decisions, decide whether, we just want to squander away our money on a stock market, or should we be relevant investors in mutual fund, or whether equity is the right stuff, debt is the right stuff. These are things that I think, again, depends on the person's, financial backing in terms of how safe you want to be in terms of your journey. But this is also a thing where you can actually do things. Right. And again, I'm sure all of you who are here, who are chartered accountants, don't always have an ambition of being at a senior level only. You all can be happy if you're doing something from what you've learned. Right. Zaruri nahi hai hum sab hamesha kaam kare. We can take things like just making children study. Bachcho ko padhane se we'll be happy. again, what is the work-life balance is just that our happiness. End of the day, we should be happy. And agar humne padhai kiya hai, we've all studied so well, we've attained a degree which is supposed to be one of the toughest degree, then why leave it? And use that and make your life happy. That's just a bit of my own stuff. I can open up it for a round of questions, if any. Shanu, have you got any questions? Would we like to take up any questions right now?
Yes, ma'am. We have received a few questions we can take up right now. One of the question is, apart from technical skills, what other skills are important for being successful today? Apart from being technically qualified.
So as I said, technically qualified has to be the base, because that's how you will get an entry in an organization. If you're applying for any role, your technical qualifications definitely matter. But I think over and above that, so let me answer that in two phases. One is where you're looking at an entry level. So you're just a qualified chartered accountant, as I said, maybe with some experience or just a freshly qualified, and you are going in for an interview. So one thing that's required is definitely your technical qualification. Other than that is your presence, right? When you're going for an interview, whether it's a remote interview in today's time, while you're doing it from home, are you confident? Do you know your subject well? Have you done your learning about the organization that you're looking at? So, your overall knowledge, your own display of confidence, your own experiences will be very, very beneficial other than the technical knowledge. This is for somebody fresh. Now, if I talk about people who've already been into a role, or maybe looking to change roles, then what's more important is definitely, as I said, technological understanding, right? When I say technology, is basically understanding which are the new softwares that have come in, right? Say, for example, you've been working in Tally, but now Tally is upgraded. So Tally is not something that people are looking at. Do you know ERP? Are you able to use ERP modules? Do you know about, say, Power BI to make dashboards? Do you know of various other, do you know about blockchain as an example? Do you know about any other fintech, finance technology options that you know? So that is also very important. And again, in terms of managerial skills, if you're a leader and you're managing people, then definitely managing skills or people management skills are very, very important. That's because you and your team will succeed together. You can't you can't succeed separately if your team is not ready, and you've not taken your team together, you will not succeed. So that kind of a management skill, people management skill, is very, very important in today's time.
Shanu, any questions?
I think Shanu, are you back?
Yes. Some network issues. Yeah. So Nandana ma'am, if you would like to add something to that?
Yes, today Ruchi ji's success story, it's really very inspiring. और मतलब जो आपने इतने अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया कि कैसे हमें वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस को मैनेज करना है, क्योंकि बीइंग अ वुमन, एवरी वुमन strives to be the best at work front also, at home front also, she strives to be the best. और उस चक्कर में वो सारी जिम्मेदारी खुद उठाती जाती है. मतलब आप जब बोल रहे थे तो मुझे अपनी भी कमियां महसूस हो रही थी कि यार हाँ, हम हर चीज में हर काम को खुद करना चाहते हैं. हमें ऐसा लगता है कि if I don't do, then other person will not be able to do that or that.
मैम मेरा इसी से रिलेटेड एक क्वेश्चन मतलब है कि why work life balance is only talked in context of women professionals only, why not men,
No, thanks Shanu.
Work life balance. And
Shanu, thanks for bringing that up. I'm sorry I missed that while I'm talking, because initially I did talk about it, saying that work-life balance is not really a women topic. Yes, it started because of women really asking for it, but in today's time, it's equally important. As I said, so work-life balance for men is also equally important. See, because if when women and, when the wife and the husband are working and we want our husbands to support us because we are working, it goes hand in hand that we need to kind of give them a work-life balance also, right? So if say some people have small kids and because they live in nuclear families and their husband is supporting the child, while the mother is taking a call or doing a delivery, whatever. Similarly, it is an equivalent requirement of the husbands also, that they need that work-life balance. Ki yaar, meri bhi call hai, ab tum bhi bachcha pakad lo. That's how it is. I'm sorry to be, but that's the crude language that is there at home at everybody's house. So it's not that men don't need it, right? And see, we have started to do that. The whole concept of giving husbands paternity leave of 15 days is an example of a work-life balance, right?
Yes.
Because the
Sharing the responsibility both at
Sharing the
work as well as professional front.
Agree. And in today's time, even men actually ask for a work-life balance from their own organizations. And organizations are giving equal work-life balance opportunities, whether it's a male or a female. Because even males have parents or grandparents to be looked after.
They have their,
It has to be balanced. It can't be, or even they have to take their wife, children to doctors, or maybe, and they also need some me time. They also have hectic office work, right? And after a tough deliverable, maybe whatever it is, they also need that me time. Unko bhi ek, maybe just to kind of take the liberty, I think I can say that they also need time to have their own fag, one take sutta maarne ke liye or whatever. So that kind of a break is what they also need. So
it's more of a talk. It's more of a talk for working professionals now.
Working,
Whether they being a woman or a man, it doesn't matter. So work-life balance is equally important for men as well as women.
The only thing that I feel is women take a lot of things to heart. We are actually a lot of emotional. Our gender, women as a gender, God has made us a little more emotional. हम छोटी-छोटी चीजों से ना impact हो जाते हैं. So I can just give you a small example. When I started, after my maternity leave, when I started office, and when I used to come home, and maybe later on also, and I'm sure a lot of people here would recognize to it, is when you came home and your child didn't come and hug you, you would say, "Yaar, bacha bhul gaya." It's not that. It's like, you don't have to be emotional. It is that it is normal. Everybody needs their time. Now the kid also was staying alone from you for the last 4 months, 4 hours or so, because you were in office. So that child will also take time to come and work, to bond with you. And I feel, and I still say that my bond with my daughter is the best. We don't, and that's even after being able to kind of work hectic hours. It's just that you have to manage. And I can give you a lot. If I have to share my experiences, I'm sure I can go on and on. I can give you an example. Say, for example, it was a day of Karwa Chauth, and it was a month-end deliverable. I knew that day I may come even after, I may come home post all the puja, the moons come out, everything's come out, and I really saw it. I do my Karwa Chauth quite dedicatedly. I don't drink water also. But that day I knew that I will not be able to come home before 11. Okay. So I had clearly said that stuff at home very clear that today I'm going to be late. I know it's Karwa Chauth. I will not drink water. The only liberty I will take is once the moon is out, I will have some water, because the whole day I've been hectic. And that was the balance and everything. My mother-in-law understood that, and it was quite happy. Nothing happens, we can all do it if we know that we have to. And because my mind was, aware that aaj aisa hoga, so automatically
you were able to manage that
you're able to manage. It is just that you have to actually think about it. And I'm sure all of you will relate to it. जिस दिन आप ये सोच लेते हो कि मुझे ये करना है, तो आप करके ही रहते हो ना. So even if your day is so hectic, you have to do, say for example, you want to maybe read a small article or send a message to your somebody, very a special message, or you want to make a card for somebody special. Even if you have an hectic day, you take out time, you plan it and you do it. चाहे आप 4 दिन पहले से शुरू कर देते हो, 1 दिन पहले नहीं करते, but आप करते हो ना. So it is more that we all need to understand is that work-life balance is something that we need to get into our head. it could be that some days वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस डज नॉट मीन कि हर रोज आपको 8-8 घंटे इक्वल मिलेंगे, कि 8 घंटे काम के 8 घंटे घर के, ऐसा नहीं होता. वर्क लाइफ बैलेंस इज दैट एंड ऑफ द डे, whether it is a month or quarter or year, you are happy with both things that you've done. You are happy with what you've done at home and what you've done at office. You are happy with that. So that's why. So some people may have work which is daily critical. Some people may have which is weekly critical. Some may have quarterly critical. Ab jaise, I'm sure a lot of people who do monthly closings, right? And I'm talking about these examples because we're all from the finance world, right? So अब अगर आप उस रोल से चेंज होके आप क्वार्टरली क्लोजिंग में चले जाते हो, आपको लगता है वाओ 3 महीने में आएगा, लेकिन 3 महीने में जो आप मंथली क्लोजिंग में शायद 2-2 दिन लगाते थे, it was only 2 days of hectic work. In a quarterly closing, you're spending the whole week. So you're practically doing the same time, but you just feel that it's come after 3 months rather than actually coming every. So it's your choice how you want to accept it. And once you put it in your head, yaar, ye hafte ke 2 din ya mahine ke 2 din hone hi hai, so you will not crib about it because you know that those are your tough days, right? And when they are your tough days, you will take them as it, and automatically others will balance it out. So, and that goes with whether any gender, men or female, everybody can do it. So, yeah.
Yes, I fully agree, ma'am. So, Nandana ma'am, I would like to ask you, what are the changes that you perceive in working environment at your time? Like, I know you cleared in 1992 and you have your practice since 1992. So, what are the changes that you see? Like way back, the working environment, how was it for a woman professional, from a point of view of women professionals? And now, how do you see the changes, ma'am?
In recent times, there are so many changes. Matlab, family is more supportive for their daughter-in-laws, for their daughters. At my time, when I did my CA, all of the people, they used to criticize my mummy also. Ki this is not a profession for girls. You should not send her this is a male-dominated society, and she should not be allowed to enter into the practice and all. But now the environment has changed, and the girls. But what I feel is that the girls should also understand the difference now. What has happened? What I feel is that girls, they feel that now I am a chartered accountant. Family is not my responsibility. Or if I cooked at home, then it's something very, below my dignity. But nothing is like that. You should be able to manage between the two. आपको घर भी बहुत अच्छे से देखना है, क्योंकि what I feel is कि एक लेडी अपने घर को जितना अच्छे से संभाल सकती है, उतना ठीक है, वो लोग हमें सपोर्ट करता है, लेकिन एक जितने अच्छे से हम संभाल सकते हैं, मेल्स नहीं संभाल सकते, क्योंकि there is a difference between male gender and female gender, और हमने भगवान ने कुछ ऐसी क्वालिटीज दी है जो उन लोगों में नहीं है, and we should be proud of those qualities. We should understand those qualities, और हमें बहुत अच्छे से दोनों चीजों में we should be able to manage the things. Now the life is very easy for young chartered accountants compared to us. It was like, हम कई सेमिनार भी जाते थे, तो I used to be the only female member sitting in a corner, और कोई और होता ही नहीं था कंपनी के लिए. फिर धीरे धीरे लोग आने लगे, तो ऐसे लगता था कि यस, कोई तो हमारे साथ में आया या कोई तो फीमेल मेंबर आई. But now time has totally changed, and it is more supportive for the girls and for the female members. New avenues are opened. There are no restrictions, and professional areas are also widened now. So life is more easy for girls now compared to our time.
Okay, ma'am. Next question that we have received is, it's a general perception that working from home, you can be an average performer and you need office environment to be ambitious professionally. Ruchi, ma'am?
Yeah, Shanu. Shanu, I think this question, yes, it was very, very true in the earlier times where, there was, so, people would say that if you're working from home, they're kaam hi kya karte ho, ghar pe hi to ho. That was actually the notion. So for example, as I said, I started working in 2006 from home at times because of my situation, but there were people within Amex who were reporting to leaders within India only. And then again, Amex being a very employee friendly company would give work from home opportunities, but the opportunities available to them would not be as frequent as that would be to us who would be reporting to international bosses. That's how the difference would be. So, and people would say, yeah, you're the working from home. How will that happen? Because people felt, and I think that is where, even when today's time, when people are working from home, they do the extra bit. They are available even at 10 p.m. Why? Because they want to prove कि अगर हम घर पे हैं तो हम काम कर रहे हैं. Don't think that I am not available. So that is what is again creating that stress, because what is happening is we are competing with our own colleagues and peers. जैसे अगर हम एक कंपनी में हैं, say for example you and I are both in the same organization and same level, and our own boss gives work to both of us. You deliver the same day even at 11 p.m. and I deliver it next day in the working hours, then there's automatically competition. We are trying and cutting each other, and that is what we try and prove ourselves. So what I would say is that's all a myth. It's more about understanding and how you perceive things. It's more about the consistency that you display and how your leaders understand, because a lot of things are set by the tone from the top. The tone from the top, what is your leader expecting? Is your leader expecting good quality work at an odd hour, or what is it that it is? So I think a lot of things here, the role is played by the leader. If, say for example, a person is delivering something which was not really urgent but still delivered at 11 p.m. as an example, then the leader needs to stand up and say that please maintain your work-life balance. Please don't deliver things at this point in time because it was not urgent, right? So it is more of a myth, but yes, in India that culture does exist, that agar hum physically present nahi hai, matlab it's more like that out of sight, out of mind wala thought. People used to think that if I'm not in sight, that means my leader or my people will not know that I am working, right? So it's more of a mind change that's required, and that is where organizations play a very big role, where they need to train their people in that right manner, that don't take that as a negative. If you are doing something because the organization is giving you this opportunity of working from home, it's not that something that you physically, you may have asked it for a duration because of your personal issue. Say as an example, anybody, if I had somebody ill at home and I've taken, say for example, 2 days work from home just to manage that, but wo 2 din ke liye liya hai na, hamesha ke liye to nahi liya. So that kind of thing should not hamper my performance. It's been happening across consistently. Things should not be looked at a one-time kind of a position is what I say. And definitely HRs in the organization need to play a very critical role. They need to educate leaders and employees both कि भाई ये नहीं है कि अगर आप घर से काम कर रहे हो, if you're working from home, that means you're not working. And people, please don't try and prove yourselves, because what happens, we try and keep our computers logged in from morning to evening. Our computers, all of our, normally that's what I've seen people, they log in the morning at 8 o'clock only. And they keep logging it till like night, 10 o'clock, ki kuch aa gaya. Because the reason is you're just trying to be the best. You just don't want to miss on anything. But if your working hours are, say, for example, 9 to 6, then please maintain 9 to 6. That's when you will get a work-life balance, right? If there are critical days, there is something which is deliverable, us din wo kuch nahi hua ya kisi ka koi problem ho gaya technologically, and that is why you were supposed to get an input where you had to submit it further, and that is why you're delayed, and us din aapne 6 ke badle 8 baje tak kaam kar liya, that's fine. 1 or 2 days is okay. But please don't make it a routine and don't expect that, because kya hota hai, it's a chain effect. If your leader is doing this, you will start doing it. You will start doing it, your team members will start doing it. Your team members, the whole chain goes like this, and automatically that becomes the organizational culture. And that is where that problem comes in. क्योंकि हमें लगता है यार बंदा लॉग्ड इन नहीं था, अच्छा काम नहीं कर रहा है. We automatically quickly make that assumption is the person is not, online, which means he's not working. But that's not true. It could be that at that moment, it's even in office, right? If you were in office, you would take a tea break, right? You would not be on your seat whole 24 hours. So which means that even if you're taking break while you're working from home, that's okay. Don't feel bad about it.
And ma'am, even I feel in some cases working from home is more productive than being in the office, right?
Agreed, because
And
you
with the
make your
IT tools and everything.
yes. So it's more like, you can plan it as per your timing. You know that, say for example, आपके घर में शांति होगी in the morning. If you have to do a deliverable as an example, you may get up early that day. You may do your deliverables and then submit it. Or some people like working later. Then you know कि ठीक है मुझे travel नहीं करना है. I'm doing it at that point. Or even during your working hours, because there's nobody next to you sitting and asking you for something, you are more productive. You're more dedicated. Your attention is fully there. That's how you can become more productive at that point in time.
Sunanda ma'am, you would like to add something to this?
Yes, जैसे कि अभी रुचि मैम said कि timings about timings. Not only in organization but in personal practice also, you should follow the rules. Because what has happened कि what client do is कि चलो मतलब mostly female chartered accountants, mostly in small cities, they run their offices from their home, from their residences. So what happens is the client was passing from there at 9 o'clock in the morning, and he will knock your door. Ki ma'am, is she available? What I do is ki I don't entertain anybody. If my office timing is from 10 to 6, then I'll attend from 10 in the morning only. And up to 6, up to 7, exceptions are there. In peak season, yes, you sit, you do late night working also, but not regularly. I don't pick up the calls also after 8 o'clock or 7 o'clock, whatever the time I have decided. So you should maintain that discipline also in your life, because people take you granted कि अरे घर पे ही होंगी. So in practice also you should be very careful about all these things.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the next question is from a member. She says, I did my CA 10 years back and then got married and had discontinued my practice as my in-laws were not very supportive. But now I wish to start practice again, but really get lost when I think where to start with. Can you please suggest as to how should I start? The member wants to start her practice again. So she's asking, how should she start to practice?
I'll take my, so Sunanda ji, she's in practice. Will she like to first answer that, or what's your?
It's my experience that after 14 years, I started my practice. There were technological updation was there. I learned everything from ABCD. Like starting the computer, running the softwares, I learned everything. And it is very easy to start the practice. The only thing is you should have that patience and courage. You start your practice, initially you can have some experience with some other firm also for 6 months working or 1 year working, where you will gain some knowledge or some current updates also. And after that, nothing is impossible. You can start the practice. You should have the patience because initially आपको डर लगेगा मुझे कुछ नहीं आता है, but with over passage of the time आपको सब कुछ आने लगता है धीरे धीरे. आप लोगों से जब पूछते हो, लोगों से मिलते हो, तो अपने आप सब चीजें आने लगती हैं और आराम से establish कर सकता है. I am the example in front of you.
So I would just like to add, and your, I think my answer is going to be the similar one as you said, Sunanda ma'am. The only thing I will say is कि अगर आप सोच रहे हो तो सोचो मत, अब action में आ जाओ. आप सोच चुके हो, you've made up your mind कि आपको practice करनी है. So start thinking कि where, as I said, problem आपके सामने है, आपको solution निकालना है. और solution आप निकाल चुके हो. In the sense आप ये निकाल चुके हो कि आपको practice में आना है. That's your solution. Right now the solution is उसको कैसे practice करनी है. I mean, say what kind of a practice. Do you want to become a tax practitioner? You want to be a GST practitioner? You want to get into audit? First decide your field, because you can't start with everything. You have to show your clients. आप किसी से भी आप बात करते हो. आप कहीं पर, say as an example, because maybe it's been 10 years. So there could be some advancements, as ma'am said कि हो सकता है टेक्नोलॉजी नहीं आ गई होगी, कुछ चीजें नहीं आ गई होंगी जो शायद आपने नहीं पढ़ी होंगी, आपको कुछ पढ़ना पड़ेगा. So prepare that plan कि अच्छा, even if you are starting, which area you are starting, if you need to connect and read, learn, do that. Connect with people, network with people who had recently started, or maybe network with people जो ऑलरेडी एस्टेब्लिश्ड हैं, उनसे सीखो कि उन्होंने वो आजकल क्या कर रहे हैं. मे बी बिफोर यू as ma'am said, you know, really getting independent by starting your own practice, 6 months or a year, work with somebody, gain that knowledge, understand कि क्या change है. उससे क्या होगा, आपको मतलब गाइडेंस मिल जाएगी, आप सीख लोगे कि क्या क्या चेंजेस हुए हैं, क्या क्या हुआ है, राइट. एंड देन मे बी स्टार्टिंग विल बिकम ईजियर, because when you kind of get in, birds of the same feather flock together is a saying, right, that we say. So similarly, if you want to get into practice, surround yourself with people in practice. They will tell you the challenges that they faced. And see, कोई भी चीज all of a sudden, मतलब immediately ये नहीं है कि आज आपने सोचा और कल आपकी प्रैक्टिस एकदम से सुपर डुपर हो गई और द बेस्ट नोन, ऐसा नहीं होगा. It will be a small slow paced one, but don't feel bad about it. देखो अभी आपके पास, if you're not working or you're not practicing, you have zero income. Even if you get any amount as income, will be a happy thing for you, I would say that. So start with small, but yes, gain yourself and stay consistent. Collaborate with people if required. अगर आपको लगता है नहीं मैं अकेले नहीं कर सकती हूँ, then maybe team up with a couple of your friends if they are also interested to start. Then you can maybe have different expertise, or maybe, but I will still suggest, as ma'am said, gain that knowledge, start interacting, or maybe take training with some other CA. Don't feel bad कि आपके साथ आपके जो लोग होंगे वो आपसे जूनियर होंगे, उससे कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता. आप it's like the hare and tortoise race. हो सकता है आप initially slow हो, लेकिन बाद में जो आप स्पीड पकड़ोगे ना, वो आपके जो जूनियर्स थे वो समझ भी नहीं पाएंगे आपने कितनी जल्दी स्पीड पकड़ी. So what's important is getting into action, believing into yourself, and just going forward with the right decisions. That's how I will put it.
Okay. Next question is, how do you perceive work environment of the future? Like from service point of view, I would request Ruchi ma'am to say, and then from Sunandana ma'am, from practice point of view, how do you perceive the work environment of future?
See, from if I have to talk corporate world, definitely corporate world is changing a lot. And as we said, you know, the pandemic has actually taught corporates to save a lot of stuff, in the sense they are saving a lot of money because of this situation. Small, you know, remote working is becoming really popular. People are getting that kind of, you know, saving on cost of office spaces. So definitely the future environment in corporate will not be physical all days. At least that's what it seems like in at least the near future. And it could be, and especially since we're getting more global, that environment globally is changing. US and in UK and all, if you see, you know, people don't work regularly from, and especially if I have to talk about international organizations in UK and in US, we had people who would just work 4 days a week, you know. So that flexibility in corporate will definitely come in. It will be more need based, project based, and I'm sure you all have also heard about you know, contractual working. Again, when we say contractual working, it is not really a contract working, but definitely it's an option for flexible working, where people can actually kind of, and especially for women, I feel that's a great opportunity, because it saves on costs of the employer, because he's not bound by the employee. But definitely it's beneficial for females, because, you know, I have a friend, she is a chartered accountant, but currently she's in the US. And what she does is, she's a tax expert. So what she does is, in the US, she only works in the tax period. So the tax filing period. So 6 months of the year she works, and 6 months of the year she relaxes. That's how she's, you know, that's her work-life balance that she's defined. So similarly, she takes only assignments with corporates during the tax period. And that is what will become famous go forward, whether it is for men and women, both of them, you know. The flexibility thing will definitely come in the corporate world. That's what I feel.
Sunandana ma'am, from your point of view, the practice area, how do you see?
Now, yes, as Ruchiji said, now the time has changed, and instead of general practice, now we have to more concentrate on specialized knowledges. Because having knowledge in a specific field, it is more lucrative also, and it is very helpful in balancing both the things, because every time you are not busy with your professional liabilities, and the time has changed now. With social connects, it is not necessary that client is coming to your office, is sitting in front of you, or the accountants are coming. Everything is on net, available on net, data is received on net, we are sending the reports on net. So time has changed now, and specific and specialized practice is now more useful and prominent now in future period.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. This was the last question that we have received from our participants. And Sunandana ma'am, if you would like to add something before winding up today's event.
Yeah, certainly Ruchi ji has explained nicely about the work from home and work for home. What has happened in last 2 years is really, we are working for home. You have explained nicely the difference between the two. And you have also explained nicely how to make a balance between the two things, like, manage your work front with your family life also. And we need to understand, we can't be best by doing everything. We need to learn how to delegate the things between with our other family members also. Secondly, she has given emphasis on technological updation, and that is really very necessary in this present era. We can win or we can go ahead with technology updation only. So, and it is not difficult to learn. जैसे कि मतलब how she explained कि जहाँ चाह वहाँ राह, और अगर हमारे पास चाहत है, थोड़ी सी चाहत और हिम्मत चाहिए, तो हम सब कुछ सीख सकते हैं और बहुत अच्छे से आगे बढ़ सकते हैं। रुचि जी, मतलब थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपने बहुत अच्छे से एक्सप्लेन किया हमें। और आई थिंक दैट कि जितने भी पार्टिसिपेंट्स होंगे, उनको जो भी अपनी प्रॉब्लम्स होंगी, रिलेटिव प्रॉब्लम्स जो होंगे, क्योंकि इट वाज योर डेलिब्रेशन वाज वेरी रिलेटिव टू आवर डेली रूटीन लाइफ, so certainly they will learn, and they will it will be very helpful for the members. Over to you, Shanuji.
Thank you, ma'am. On behalf of Women Members Empowerment Committee of ICI, I would like to thank Ruchi madam for enlightening us with pertinent issues beneficial for us professionally as well as in our personal life. Thank you, ma'am. And thank you, Sunandana ma'am, for moderating our today's VCM and giving your valuable inputs on work-life balance issues and in practice area. Thank you, madam. Thank you to both of you.
Thanks a
And
lot.
thank you, participants, for joining us.
Thank you.
Recording stopped.